Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to another video. It's your girl Harley and welcome back to the House of Love. So people, me and Daddy go up on the road. I am voicing over this video. Today is Friday. I vlogged yesterday. So me and Daddy go up on the road yesterday, which is Thursday, to go get the refrigerator that I used to use at my business place. Yes, I used to do business. I will be telling a little story time at the end of this video about when I used to do business. So stay tuned and listen for that story time. So people, this is us. We went to two places. We went to Spalding and then we went to Mandeville. Yeah, Daddy go Spalding, go do something. He had some crates that he wanted to change out. You see them there in the back. So we went to change those out and then we went to Mandeville. This is us just sitting. That's Mateo, looking all about. People may say Mateo grow, you see? He's growing on me, like literally. I can't believe he's getting so big and so bright, and him personality just I don't know, him personality just sweet to me. Sweet and what's the word? Sweet and awesome. He just lovable. That's him pushing his face in my phone. Anyways, back on track. We got through installing and we're heading to Mandeville here. So that's me videoing the people in building. We were heading towards where I used to have my business place to go get the refrigerator. People may say the fridge stay in the shop, like literally nothing happened to the shop when Melissa came. It's a board and zinc shop, people. And I'm telling you, the only thing happened to the shop was a tree fell down and it bent up one of the zinc. That's all that happened to the shop. Nothing, no move, no shift. Like literally, the shop still stand up there. Nothing happened to the fridge as well because I did stop run the shop and I had a little bit of stuff in there, so I had taken them out before the storm came and stuff. Give them if you give and drink them if you drink and eat them if you eat, and them little stuff there. But yeah, the fridge stayed in there, nothing happened to it. So I had asked my father to take it out so it could be safe because the story time when I go tell you how they broke into the shop. So stay tuned and listen for that as well, me say. So we almost reached now, people, but this is me videoing. Me couldn't make on hear the original or the audio of the video because music did a play and stuff in the vehicle. And I'm not gonna tell the man to turn off his music, even though but I'm not gonna tell him to turn off his music. And he did a talk, and the conversations were kind of personal. Alright, so right here, so we got the fridge and we were heading back home now. We're going back home now. That's me showing you people my black mint and my Cuban oregano will be picked down at the house that I went for my fridge. That's Aguero. And yeah, people, watch the rest of the video. We just come down in the yard from daylight we leave. Basically, we just come back. As me say, it's almost 6 now. We went for the fridge and we went for Aguero and we did up at the shop. Me couldn't vlog because me did have to help out daddy and sell two stuff and I watch Matty at the same time, so me couldn't vlog. And at one point my phone did dead, but we're home now. Everyone is going to bathe, wash off, clean off. People who know see me foot them right now, me foot them dirty. Let me tell you, me can't show. Me can't go so far. Me can't go so far, people. But me foot them dirty. Me foot them dirty, like they're not dirty, but dust and dirt, and because they mix concrete and stuff like that. So me I go hold a fresh now, people, and make some food. Alright, people, so change of plans. Daddy say him go cook, so he will be making dinner tonight. So him have dumpling, yam, potato, CHO-CHO in a this pot right here. Because we're gonna make the CHO-CHO for with salty. We're gonna crush it out and mix it with the sweet corn and the sardine with the rest of vegetable them like tomato, scallion and thyme and those. Me about to cut up them the film now. And over here, so me a boil Mateo porridge because we have to boil Mateo porridge. So yeah. Him say I cook people, so me I left it make him cook. Cause tomorrow I'm going back at work, so let him cook. But people me there feel upset in a way. Me not make it bother me still, Data me use to upload my video them people because I don't have Wi-Fi. So data me use. So while I go me buy some credit to add to my phone to make so me can have data for upload my video them, and me no know me know when me go in the shop go buy the credit them people. The girl give me the credit and me have it in my hand with the other credit when me did buy from before. Cause me did buy one before and then me buy one a while ago for add to it. Me don't know, all of a sudden me ready for the credit them. The credit them disappear, like the phone card them disappear, people like they gone. Me now make it upset me. I just take a deep breath a while ago and say, okay, whatever. If it lasts, it just lasts. What me I gonna do? Me not kill myself and I'm not gonna get upset. I'm not gonna get angry. So me I go cut up that season them now. So no just stay tuned and watch what I want. Alright, so people right here, so me have sweet pepper, tomato, onion, scallion and thyme and regular scotch bonnet pepper. So me I go cut up them here now. And see me sardine here, me I go take out the little bone out of it. So me I go cut them up in another dish here, people, cause and now switch to one other dish right here now. So I'm just cut everything in here. So just watch what I go on. I clean up the sardine off camera, people. So yeah, and as you see, me cut up the seasoning them theme. People, so see the CHO-CHO here. This was two CHO-CHOs, two small ones. Two small ones, so we'll cut them and slice them up and let them boil in the pot. So I'm gonna crush them now because we're gonna make sardine and stuff with it. But you gotta crush it out a bit because you don't want them to be so big. So we're crushing them a bit. People, if you're from Jamaica, you know, so this is one of the baddest sal-ting ever. Baddest. I don't really eat saltfish anymore, but this stuff with saltfish are already. Anything basically, but yeah. So I'm gonna crush them out now, people. So daddy come back. So I'm gonna take over in kitchen now, but I'm gonna crush for them. Big up. People give thanks to him, he find them. He found them on the road. I guess they fell out of my pocket. Comedy turn back to go for something in the shop. So I guess when me turn back and I go, them fall out of my pocket or whatever. I don't know. Or when me I come home, I don't know. But give thanks he find them. So I'm gonna add them to my phone. It's not potato, people, it's cassava. We had planted some cassava in the farm as well. And them did get corroded because of the storm. But daddy go down there, go dig up and fine. Daddy go down, me show no. People me say everything just a drop from me. Everything, let me show on my food. Alright, so see the cassava here, people. This is the cassava. That is saying overripe. And overripe. Pumpkin, the pumpkin mash out in the pot. We got that from the farm as well. And see the yam over there, so and we make two dumpling, and that are the CHO-CHO, the sardine, and the sweet corn. So that are my dinner, people. But me did I tell you, say me I go tell you one little story time, but when me used to run my little shop, so me I go eat and try and talk to you. But yeah, people, me used to run one little shop. Me used to run one little shop down where me originally from, but it never worked out. It never worked out in a no farm, people. All kind of stuff used to happen to me. But one of the major thing that happened was when they broke into the shop, cause I was running it before I met. Before? Yeah, I was running it before I met my king man, and then me did close it down and go look work because it never did work out. And just one whole heap did I go on, and me dey close it down and go start the bar work, and then that never work out, and me I go tell you one story time about that as well. About my experience working in bars. Yeah, me I go tell you that as well, because I used to be a bartender when I think it's a year after I had a Guerra I started to do bar work, because you know me didn't need money. I was a single mother with no father, so yeah. You know, watch me here. A whole lot has been going on, that's why I may not wash it, but I go wash it tomorrow definitely. But yeah, people, me used to run one little shop. I opened it, it never worked out because me no know if you ever run shop, you know shop go people take your stuff and no one pay you and da 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 all kind of stuff. I even got into an altercation where it was gonna get violent because I asked for my money. I was disrespected and threatened because of my money. So those are some factors that led to me closing it down. But the major thing that happened was when they broke into the shop. Yeah. That the time they close it down for the second time, and daddy say, alright then, try again. And me say, alright then, me go try again, but me not ready. Me just go and do the bar work. Then I found out I was pregnant with Mateo. And then that did just contribute to it as well, for me not opening it back. But then as my pregnancy started progressing, me alone the home and stuff like that, me and daddy reason and with the upping up again. But when they broke into it, people, I think it was right after my Earth Strong. Right after my Earth Strong, me day here and me get one call. Cause like normally when me would go down there, then I call and I say, you come a shop today or you go there today or whatever. And somebody call me and say, how them come a call for something? And then I get no answer when me there. So me I say, but me not there shop today, me not come a shop today. And he say, but the door wide open. The door wide open and nobody not in there. So me call my father, because my father live down there. So me call my father and tell him to go out there, go check and see what happening. And when he went, people, they broke into the shop, took what they wanted and left the door wide open. So that did just kind of discourage me as well. So me just say, you know what, forget this. I'm not going to invest any money in this again, just to make it go tear down. And me never stop this, so people, me and Marlon try again, me and daddy try again till me would go there, go and sit and eat. Go sit and eat. Me go there and like 3, 4, 5, 6 and the goods on the shelf would have bite up. And the bottle itself not being bite. Not now like the sitting where I bite them up, it not bite the bottle, people. It a bite the cork. It just chewing on the cork till one at a time. We thought it was rats. And then we set poison and we kept on little baby rat, on little tiny baby rat. And then it continue happen. Till we just get fed up. And then one day me go there and literally one whole bucket. If you know the tall bucket them, the 5-gallon bucket them, a 5-gallon? One of them, they almost full of goods. I had to throw everything away. Like everything bite up, everything bust up till the thing start take set pan, the Rizzler, the cup them, everything. So all of that did just contribute to me saying, you know what, just a walk away from this, yeah, man. And I did. So we run shop before, not the first time. Not the first time we investing our money in business, but we're gonna try again and see how it goes. Trying at this environment, yeah. We're gonna try in that. We're gonna try it in this environment. Sorry, may I eat and talk and see what happens. But I've had good experiences and bad experiences with running business, but the most terrible one was when they broke into the shop, because that was really hurtful. Come here, I said, really, I try so hard, but that goes to show people, to show you, so no matter how nice or how good you are to someone, they will still do shit to you. Like literally, they will do shit to you, no matter how nice you are. But yeah, I could try again and see, and just do it. We're not even gonna try. We're gonna do it. Like, you can't You can't really make, even though you're nice to everybody and them a do your stuff, you can't really make them stop you from being nice. You understand me? You just have to know who to be nice to. So we there and I eat. Daddy out there so I eat. Matthew there so I mash up my fan. Leave it. Why babies don't sit down and eat, guys? Why they don't sit down and eat? Matthew, why are you stepping on my foot? It hurts, man. Tell you no about my experience in the bar work, but right now people may go eat and go edit. Cause as you know, one phone me have, me no acquire one next phone as yet. But me can say, alright, then me can vlog and then do other stuff this up and that the phone this. So I only have one phone. So me I go finish eat my food, people, and then basically me I go sleep. Cause me tired for real, me tired. So big up on yourself. Enough love from the house of love. See everybody don't eat and me there so I chat. Bye bye people.